So if you've ever listened to a Zomboy track, you know that he has incredibly strong and just punchy sounding drums. And what I think that contributes a lot to that sound is his extra strong transients. And if you don't know what I mean, this is the tutorial for you. So with any kind of like percussive or hitting sound, you have this initial burst of sound that is right here, and that is called the transient. So for example, this kick, and listening to just the transient will get rid of the body of the kick. It's that little click, that little spiky sound. And for such a quick sound, they contribute a lot to the punchiness of your drum. So an example in a Zomboy track, Fallout. Look at that transient. So Zomboy goes hard on his transients. I mean, just have a look at that initial burst of sound on the freaking kick. Just gives the kick drum so much punch. If it wasn't there, just not hitting the same. You need that initial click. So to put that into context inside a track, I have this drop right here. But I purposely minimized all the transients so we can add them and just make the drums extra punchy. So with that being said, new audio tracks, I am literally gonna go and steal the transient from another kick sample. Easy! You can do this in a drum rack or you can do this on an audio timeline. I like to visually see everything that I drag and drop in. That's a decent click. So we'll hear how that sounds. We'll just loop this over and over. You can barely see this little transient that we added, but it makes so much of a difference. I didn't even need to do anything, that's just easy. So I'm gonna duplicate that over every single kick. Kick, transient. Anyway, kick done, let's move on to the snare. Drag that in onto the snare transient channel. Look at that click, sweet. And needless to say, different clicks give off different sounds. You don't have to go for the first kind of snare you see and be like, oh, that'll sound great. Maybe try around with a few different transients and see how they sound. Yeah, just gonna copy and paste. I didn't even need to listen to it. I know it's gonna sound great. I can edit it if need be. Oh my god, there's so much punch here. But a little bit too loud. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. So let's get a before and after. We've literally just added. Nice. Yeah, before. Nice, but. And that is that, instant punch and power. Definitely not a new concept whatsoever in the production space, but definitely worth making a video for, just in case you aren't aware of this transient power. All right, catch you in the next one. Peace.